Wow. Down.
Can you say your alphabet?
Around. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Lie down.
Lie down. Chloe, can you say
A,
B,
B,
C,
D.
D?
Say goodbye. Say turn around.
Turn around.
Okay, pokey.
Okey pokey.
Hoogie boogie.
That's what it's all about.
Turn around.
Turn around. Do the hokey pokey. Chloe, can you say I love Nana?
I have none.
Can you say I love... Chloe, come here. Come here. Chloe, can you say I love Mama? Can you say I love Mama? Can you say I love Farize?
I have Swiss rice.
Can you say I love Nano?
I have Nano.
Can you say I love Nana?
I have Nana.
Can you say I love Layla?
I have Leia.
Can you say I love Nasir?
I have Lusher.
Can you say I love Marcus?
I have Marcus.
Can you say I love Salar?
I have Saya.
Can you say I love Ashling?
I have Ashley.
Can you say I love Manize?
I have Lizzie.
Can you say I love Nafise?
I have the fishy.
Can you say I love Kamran?
I have Gowan.
Can you say I love Ula?
I have Ola.
Can you say I love Rudy?
I have Rudy.
Can you say I love Mama?
I have Mama.
Can you say I love Daddy?
I have Daddy.
Can you say I love Carmel?
I have Gamma.
Can you say I love Austin?
I have Austin.
Can you say I love Louise?
I have Louis.
Can you say I love Esther?
I have Esther.
Can you say I love Rob?
I have Rob.
Can you say I love John? Oh. Can you say I love John?
I have Dawn.
Can you say I love Bernadette?
I have Bernadette.
And finally, can you say I love Vicky?
I have Ricky.
Good girl. And they all love you.